What's up everybody, my name's Jay. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a good day today. And today we're going to do a few more mods to the Chevy Colorado. So on my driver's side and passenger side front doors, I have some Z71 emblems that kind of mimic the badging that you get on the Midnight Edition. But those are from eBay, and I've decided that I really want to switch them out with the factory GM one. So I got a good deal on the factory GM badges from eBay, so we're going to put those on today. We're actually on our way to the car wash right now, so I can wash off a lot of the rock salt and stuff. We've just had real garbage weather in the Northeast the past few days, so. But we're gonna walk through how to install factory GM Z71 badges on the Chevy Colorado, and then we're gonna pop off the chrome bezels around the fog lights, and we're gonna paint those black. So that way we're reducing the amount of chrome that's on the front of the truck. So with all that being said, let's get into it. First thing you want to do when pulling the decal is you typically want to warm it up, but I don't really have a way to do that. You also want to start with a clean panel. I did go to the, scratch the shit out of it. I did go to the car wash, but all of the road spray basically destroyed that idea, so that kind of is what it is. So I'm just going to use this, that really scratched. I'm just going to use this pry tool to try to lift this emblem off, and then we'll get it cleaned up and attach the template. It's just a wet towel. I'm just gonna try to clean this up as best I can. And I'm gonna have to polish this again because it's just all scratched up. But all right, so from here, it's super scratched. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this decal remover and take off a lot of this, and then we can put our template on and go from there. All right, when you get the decal off and everything's pretty dry, I'm gonna use one of the alcohol swabs that the kit came with. I'm just gonna wipe down the door panel with it. This is our template that will come with the kit, so we're gonna get this lined up now. All right, now what we're gonna do is actually stick the decal. All right, I'm just gonna press it in, get it all good to go. Definitely have to buff this door panel though from wiping off the rock salt. Then you can just throw away the template. Template don't matter no more. But that's how we do it. All right, so the battery to the drill died on me, which is just my luck. So what we're gonna do now, while we're waiting for the drill to charge, is take off these chrome emblems here. And we're gonna paint these black, so it kind of blends in a little bit better. All right, there's one. So I've just got some plastic dip, cleaned them up a little bit, just kind of wiped them down. Like I said, I went to the car wash earlier and that was a stupid idea because of the splash up from the road. But anyways, I digress. Just gonna shake this up, probably gonna do 3 to 4 coats, 30 minutes in between each coat, and then should be good to go to put these back on. So let's give this a shot. I'm just doing it super light right now. All right, so after 4 coats with waiting a half hour in between coats, and after an hour of actually just letting it sit and dry after the 4th coat, this is what you can expect. So let's go ahead and get these on the truck.